VidNarrate AI is one of the newest AI software tools on the market, and if you're looking to boost your content creation workflow, this tool could be a game changer. But is it really as good as it seems? Let's break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about VidNarrate AI, and by the end of this video, you'll know if it's the right fit for your needs. First, you can try VidNarrate AI completely free through the first link in the description, but stay tuned, because in just a moment, I'll explain why this AI software is worth paying attention to. VidNarrate AI uses cutting-edge technology to help you create high-quality, engaging video content with minimal effort. It's designed to turn your text into professional-grade voiceovers, making it an invaluable tool for content creators, marketers, or anyone in need of fast, accurate narration. If you're new to the software, you'll be pleased to know that the interface is clean and easy to use, meaning you won't need to spend hours learning the ropes. Now let's dive into some of the standout features that set VidNarrate AI apart from other tools out there. The first feature is its advanced text-to-speech engine. This is not your average voiceover generator. VidNarrate uses AI to create human-like voices that sound natural and engaging, no matter what type of content you're producing. You can choose from a variety of voices, accents, and languages, giving you flexibility for any project. Another key point is audio customization. Unlike many AI tools that give you a static voiceover, VidNarrate lets you fine-tune the audio to your liking. You can adjust the speed, tone, and pitch to make your voiceovers sound just right for your audience. Whether you need a soothing conversational tone or an energetic, fast-paced delivery, VidNarrate has you covered. The script editor is another feature worth highlighting. VidNarrate allows you to upload or type in your scripts directly into the platform. It analyzes the text and ensures your voiceover is delivered with the right emphasis and pacing. This makes the whole process of creating narration incredibly smooth, and it helps save time. VidNarrate AI also boasts seamless integrations with popular video editing software. Whether you use Adobe Premiere, Final Cut Pro, or other video tools, VidNarrate can easily export your voiceover files in the formats you need. This is a huge plus for anyone looking to streamline their workflow and integrate AI into their existing systems. The next thing you'll love about VidNarrate is its multi-language support. If you're working on a global scale or want to create content in various languages, VidNarrate has the tools to help. You can generate voiceovers in multiple languages, expanding your reach and allowing you to tap into new markets. Another great feature is the AI-powered suggestions for script improvement. As you work with VidNarrate AI, the software can offer suggestions on how to optimize your script for better flow, engagement, and clarity. This is perfect for new creators who need a little extra guidance to make their content stand out. And finally, VidNarrate is designed to be cost-effective for creators. Given the high-quality output it produces, its pricing is surprisingly affordable, especially considering how much time it saves. Plus, there's a free trial available so you can test it out risk-free. In conclusion, VidNarrate AI is definitely a powerful tool for anyone looking to improve their content creation process. It's easy to use, highly customizable, and offers top-tier voiceovers that sound natural. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or content creator of any kind, this software can help you create engaging content faster and more efficiently. And if you're still unsure, remember that you can try VidNarrate AI for free by clicking the first link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I highly recommend for content creation. Check out my list in the description and start experimenting with the best AI software available today.